are from St. David. My name is Rhoda.
My name is Aiman.
My name is Aina.
Save the best for last. I'm Luke. Lipas. Lipas.
Poor Lucas, have you guys ever encountered this kind of problem at school or at home or at a restaurant with pests everywhere?
Pests, also defined as destructive insects that can contaminate food, damage property, and also it will affect towards the overall major health stress. With the current pest control methods, it has limitations such as environmental harm, health risks, and disturbance to societies.
Insects are my worst nemesis. Rats, cockroaches, centipedes, and even ants. You! Do you hate insects too? Then keep watching. One of the objectives of building a product that can give us a promising result is safe environments, which is away from food contamination. This can clearly provide hygienic surroundings which avoid potential health risks such as leptospirosis. Our product use renewable sources instead of electricity and chemical substances.
So, what are the solutions to this never-ending problem? Our solution is to create a new product where it can scare the pests such as cats, termites, rats, and so on from entering the class. So how will we do that? When the students tap onto our product, the piezoelectric will generate electrical charge and transfer to battery. Battery then will transmit electric and make the gear work. Electric gain will make the piezoelectric transducer convert electrical energy into high-frequency mechanical vibrations and repel insects like cockroaches. Hence, through this idea, we can successfully maintain a pest-free environment, allowing students to focus fully on their learning without distractions or health concerns caused by insects. This is our pest-repelling floor design. It has a rectangular plywood base with two layers. The bottom layer holds piezoelectric generators and springs, while the top layer is a flat surface with flower-shaped designs made out of bottle caps that you may recognize from our previous projects called Simple Shoe Cleaner 1.0. When someone steps on it, electricity is generated and stored in 6 18650 batteries. The energy powers a gear mechanism to create vibration that repel pests like rats, termites, and cockroaches, helping to maintain a clean and safe classroom. For a little quick summary, the ways that we have chosen to incorporate into our product are shown as above. We also added electric waste such as gear, spring, and battery holder. From waste to energy, pressure generated from the human's footstep will generate electric through piezoelectric. Then, the electricity that's produced will be used by ultrasonic transducer. Thus, the ultrasonic transducer will produce ultrasonic wave that repels insects. The results are dang dang dang, the pests are scared away.